everyone. Ha, what a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, day or night. So sorry, I'm so late to make some videos. And this is my another video. So you see my video on my channel. So thank you for the subscribers. It's almost 100 subscribers. So I'm so late to make some videos. So I gonna make some videos tomorrow or another day. So my sister was sleeping in the bed. So I'm at my sister's room, older sister's room. So my sister's. Do you know why I'm so lately to sleep? So I'm from the Philippines and I can speak Philippines too. I can speak Tagalog. So other peoples can from Philippines or America, every single any countries. So I can speak that too, but I'm not memorize that other countries too. So I can post tomorrow some pianos. So I have a piano now. I have a violin. So I can I cannot make some music on violin. It's really hard. So my hands gonna damage or some get a red on my fingers. So I give to forgive my father that I'm getting wrong of my questions. So I forgive my dad. I mean, I just give her a chance for my dad to buy me some pianos. So sorry for interrupting of your guys. I mean, interrupting. So I do you know why I'm speaking English? So it's fine to me if I can speak English normally. So sorry. And the other at my friends from Philippines too. Sorry for not speaking English speaking English too normally. So sorry, not interrupting. So do you know why I'm not sleeping on this time? Cause do you know why? I forgot it. So guys, anyway, Merry Christmas on last 2 days. So it's in the morning now. It's been let me check the clock. Let me check. So it's 1:17 a.m. on the of this from Philippines. It's night time. So it's December 28 on Saturday. You know why? I mean, you know what it means, right? So Merry Christmas anyways, and the other countries too. So thank you for subscribing on my channels. It's I don't know how many subscribers I have. So thank you for the views. So I'm sorry I'm not making some videos, but another day, another week, I can make a video. So bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.